Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from the Life.com. And yo, today literally I just spent the whole day just working on these three projects, man. And one of the videos I spent entirely too long on it trying to perfect it. And man, it's although I'm super happy on how the end result turned out. I'm just kind of disappointed in myself for going and having this video take so long. I should have just trusted, myself and be like, yo, this is it. Like, this is based on the footage that you received. This is the best that you could come up with. There's nothing else that you can like do, basically. So I just pretty much spent the whole entire day just working on these three videos so that I can get them to clients ASAP as soon as possible, and trying to receive more work, so it's like, pack them up, ship them off so that I can make room for more, right? So right now I'm just winding down shooting this video so that I can keep myself and you guys informed on the daily activities of the Caesar life, right? So today, prior to me engaging in these long, very extensive editing projects, I just spent majority of the day, early part of the day, heading to the nun's house, and we spent like the lunchtime eating some pizza and some salad. Took August over there, so they had fun. Now I came back and just hammered through these projects and spent like majority of the day on my ass, to be honest. And I kind of feel, ill, because I didn't get, it was raining out, so I didn't get my run on, and I didn't hit the gym. So like I kind of feel, So tomorrow, your boy is going to be hitting the gym pretty hard. And moving a lot more tomorrow. So super excited and super pumped for that. So today's topic, long ass diatribe to start this video. So today's topic is basically like key performance indicators, right? So in any business, right, you want to look at your key performance indicators to see how well your business is doing in order for you to either optimize it so that or scale it so that you can increase the volume and increase the work that you're capable of doing. So I just wanted to like pretty much tell you my key performance indicators for basically my life and this channel to see how I'm doing. So typically when you have a channel, you're pretty much looking for audience growth, right? That's Alexa turning off. You're looking for audience growth. Now, I haven't been growing my audience to the level that I would want, especially for doing it 6 months plus. Although I haven't been doing the keyword research and, the optimized posts that I wanted to do, it's just like so tedious. And the key performance indicators happen not in my YouTube channel, but it happens in my personal life, right? So I've been able to get more clients, get more work, and exercise more, right? And spend more time with my family. So my key performance indicators that let me know how I'm doing is, do I have time freedom, right? Do I have the income that I want? And am I happy? In all three, I can gladly say yes, although I would like to optimize each and every one of those that I mentioned. I would also want to take my time where none of these are lagging. So the person that I am today at the time of this recording, right, my key performance indicators, like my time freedom, like my happiness, all are in alignment. But I would also like day by day, incrementally making progress in all of those. So, like spending my days reflecting, like especially at the end of the day, writing in my journal. Ooh, even that I have not yet written in my journal. So I got to do that after this video. But it's like, yo, am I happy, healthy, and am I prosperous? So, like I gotta like reflect, especially when I'm meditating, just so I can constantly remind myself, like, yo, you are going in the right direction. And sometimes the universe just like pow, smack you right in the face and be like, yo, here is everything, right, that you wanted. Here is the lessons, right? Here is the data. It lets you know like you're heading in the right direction. Sometimes you'll just like be in your own flow, get knocked off the trail, and then you're just a little lost, winded. But then the universe finds a way to send you some sort of a message. So you have to constantly be aware, show gratitude, and open up yourself to receiving those messages, because those messages are very important. As I mentioned, it's not the goal, it's the journey within, the journey, the becoming within or in pursuit of that goal, right? So every single day there is a lesson, and it is your job to find that lesson and reflect upon that lesson and continue to move forward. So like right now it's just like, all right, it's sort of like a balancing act. I'm posting all these videos. Am I getting these messages to the right people? Because I also said this in the past. When the student is ready, the teacher shall appear. And when the teacher is ready, the student shall come, right? So I'm like in this little like gray area, and I don't really like gray areas. I like, there's this amazing book called Go for No, right? So constantly you have to go for no. So it's like, is the content that I'm producing like having my audience not appear, or am I continuing to learn these lessons? Because this journey of mine is like, yo, I am trying to get freaking rich. And like YouTube videos aren't going to kind of cut it unless I am of service to an audience. Now, do I have to like continue to sow and then like just wait for the audience to appear, or do I have to be in search and find this audience? Like, I'm still figuring it out as I go along. So so right now all I can do is show up every single day, keep the doors open, right? Continue searching. Seek and you shall find. Ask and it shall be given. Knock and the door shall be open unto you or me, right? So every single day, your boy is going to show up and ready to start a dialogue. If you're in your journey, it's sort of a lonely road because you know where you're headed. Nobody else does though. But they got to have the trust and the faith in you. But then first you have to have the trust and the faith in yourself first, right? Before you can rely on anyone to have that sort of trust and faith in you. So my job is to show up every day, earn your trust, build your trust. And, as I continue to find these, magical things along the way, these gradual realizations of my worthy ideal, just let you guys know, like, yo, this is real. Because I had an awesome video that I posted about how to reprogram your subconscious mind. And it's the fantasy theory fact approach, right? And that has gotten some really big and really good attention. And like, what's going on in here, I have to figure out a way to relay that message to an audience where it would enrich their lives, right? So, you know, all I can do is just show up and continue to preach this message, man, because this message that I have in here, in my soul, is taking me places. And I want to share that with everyone that comes in contact with it or with me. Anyways, enough this long rant. It's way past my bedtime because your boy has to be up and early at it, grinding, getting his workout on, and sending another message to you guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, holla at your guala. Peace.